My name is Daven and I'm at the after sales at GoodWe South Africa. We are currently at a chicken coop farm located in Nigel of the south part of Johannesburg. The current demand on the chicken farm is quite large, and the grid feed that is on this location is relatively too small to meet the demands of having the equipment run efficiently. So the customer has opted to install the GoodWe ET50s with quite big BESS system, and this will then be backed up by a generator solution. So as you can see, we are making use of the ET50. Currently 4 devices are being paralleled, and this is done through the EzLink3000. For future applications, we will make use of the EzLink3000. This will allow for up to 10 units in parallel. That allows for more flexibility regarding the hybrid solution on expansion, on storage size, and what the demand can be met at.